here so it's easier to see. Hi guys, welcome. Yep. Today I'm just going to do some coding as per usual. I don't know if it's like that. Okay, so welcome to the live stream, and today I'm going to code out the Learn Flutter app. So the thing is that the Learn Flutter app has already been coded out some sort of another, and yeah, so this is how it's supposed to look like, and it's a little bit laggy as you have seen so far. So comment down on what things you want to talk about, and we can talk more about it, I guess. Yeah. So I guess in terms of like what I've learned so far when I was developing this app, I mean, first of all, have a theme data that you can at least have an overall, I would say, design throughout the whole app. Yeah. So if I click this, yeah, so it will look something like this. Yeah. So let me just pull out this Figma thing. And I'm so unorganized. Right. Okay, cool. So the initial design is like this, right? So I've already like created this part. So like the home page part. I haven't added in the, what do you call this, bottom navigation bar. I think I don't need it because it's very simple. Then what I'm doing right now is to create the app over here, so that, I mean, this part of the app, if you guys can see, so I'll have the title, and then the shapes and the text, and then the buttons over here. Yeah, so that's about it. Just, hey guys, any questions? How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing, man? Right. So just put in the top chat. I don't know what this is. Live chat. Some messages such as button may not be visible. Oh, okay, cool. That's cool. What if I see live chat? Yeah. So I'm trying out something new. So we will see your messages over here. Yes. Yeah. So it's pretty interesting. Okay. So first thing first is that I have like created like this kind of like design. Hopefully it's nice. I'm not too sure. So one thing I realize is responsive design is pretty important, because I was using different screens to really see how it looks like. And the thing is that I think a lot of us, we don't know how it looks like in a bigger screen. So one thing I would like recommend is to have your own, what do you call this, have your own phone, and then plug it into your machine, and then test out both on your laptop and also your physical device, so that you can see the difference between the sizes. So currently I only have one, because if not I will take up a lot of space. So this is the challenge screen, Flutter quizzes and all such. Yeah. So I'm not sure, but I'll just put here Flutter challenge, daily challenge, Flutter challenges. Right. So at least this will be as so. Okay. Then so I'm just gonna code out this alignment thing. Yeah. If you guys have any question, put it in the top chat, and then we can talk more about it. So I'm not sure what I want my top thingy should be. I have no idea alignment. So let's go to question screen. Maybe I should put here challenges. Challenge, Then I will have like the text. So I have the container here. So if it's not scrollable yet. And what I'm going to do is, inside this container, I'm going to put my child as a stack, and then I'm going to put my children, and then I'm just gonna like copy and paste certain stuff that I've already created so far. So on the image you will have so it's card title, alignment top center. So I can just copy and paste stuff like this. And now can I do this? Card title, right? The title will be what? What does the title is? What is the title? This is on the challenge screen. So the title will be called alignment. Let's see how it looks like. Alright, so you have the alignment here. Title vertical 18. Okay. Then then you have the image as well. Damn, I shouldn't have named it as image. You should name it as image, card image. I think so lah. Card image. Some sort of another card image. Yeah, so I'm planning to launch this app hopefully by this year, so that we'll see how it goes. Actually, we'll see how it goes. Card image. So instead I'll just put here card image, and then maybe you guys can try it and see how it goes. Yes. Oops. So it centers itself here. This might be a problem. This might be a problem. Alignment. So the alignment is at the bottom here. Maybe should not have the position. Yeah, top center, because this is in the middle. Top center. Card title is an alignment also. Okay, card title. Card image. Yeah. Alignment, literally alignment like that. Don't know whether it's nice or not, but stack it up. Yeah, this one thing about stack is that it's always according to the parent's thing. So we'll see how it goes. It's pretty interesting. Oh my god, I have a call. Oh my god, it's gonna be built in my... Hello? Alright, I'm back. That was a pretty weird call, but yes. So anyway, what I was doing is, hey, you guys, yeah. So I'm just going to put a lemon here. You know what? I'm just gonna put it like that and see how it goes. Honestly, then let me go to my question screen, and let's put it. Since this is a column, right? Oops. This is a container. Now I'm going to put some sized box. Hi, what's up, Varun? Okay. So one thing to take note is that you need to design your stuff before you actually implement it. So this is 38. So I'm gonna put some 38 here. Right, how are you doing? Then I'm gonna put some text. Well, let me see, how big is this text? This text is 12. So text, I need to put some text, maybe 4 lines of text. So let's see what alignment documentation is. Alignment property. Alignment is a class. Oh yeah, but that's the explanation though. Okay, maybe I'll just copy and paste. It is a point within a rectangle, right? So let's put this. And then let's see how it looks like actually. Man, that looks okay. Let me see. And alignment is a point within a rectangle. It is centered. But we read from left to right. The parent will be okay. Let's see. Mean axis alignment will be from the start, if I'm not wrong. Or is it cross axis? Okay. Cross axis alignment, center, start. It will go to the left. Correct. Okay, cool. Alright, so the parent don't force inside a container. Okay, I learned something new. Column, container, size box, text. Let me think what I can do. I can put in padding. Does text have padding as well? Double text escalator, text align, local, strut style. So maybe I can just put padding, and inside here, how much is the 3541? How about 35? So let's put symmetric, and then let's put it on horizontal. 35. Save this. Looks something like that. Okay, cool. So then technically what we can I mean, let's see. If I were to put like that, can actually. So actually we can put what is the space in between? Let's see, 25. So we do some math calculation. We can put a vertical of 12.5, and then 12.5 minus 38. If you're lazy, you can literally do this, but this is very, very lazy. So you can either do some mental calculation, or you can just put 25.5. Right, so yeah, it will look something like that. Okay, so it looks pretty okay. Now alignments, pretty simple. Let's just copy and paste. Yeah. So the thing is that for this app itself, right, I'm not going to hard code all of the words, you know, because it's easier to just render it from what do you call that? It's easier to render from Firebase or external thing. So that's why I feel that you have to, you know, just gotta yeah, I think it's more useful than just having it like this. Yeah. Okay, so I was thinking maybe instead of that we can put in the tree starting. Tree. Yeah. So multi-line text. So 1 2 3 1 2 3, right? Then we can put like this and see how it looks like. Hey NYTR. Yeah, I have no idea what I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah, okay. How you guys doing? If you have any questions on Flutter, I might be able to help. Might doesn't mean I am able to help. Kidding. Maybe not. Yeah, so let me put this here and see how it goes. Looks like interesting. Interesting. Right. How do you guys do multi-line text in text form this way? It's interesting how this is being rendered. Yeah, it's a little bit weird. Or maybe I should put like a n, you know, dash n or something like that. Is it like this? Oh yeah, okay. Markdown then. Right. I mean, if you were to put like this, does it work? Ah, okay. It works. So new to this markdown thing. Oh, cool. So you can do dash n. Makes a lot of sense, I guess. And then you can just put in a multi-line text as well. So wait. That means if I were to put like this and then doesn't work, kind of doesn't work. Wait. Alright. Let's see if this works. No, it's still error cause doesn't work like that. It works. Kind of works. But you need to put dash n more. So front slash n is like line, like a break line or like a new line basically. So that's why I'm doing this. Right, so if I were to put like this, yeah, okay, that looks nice. Alignment. So at the same time, I also was thinking like to have a like a flare or rive file to be rendered from, you know, like 5.5 kind of thing. So at least it's like easier or something like that. So that's why I'm thinking to put some animations, like how history of everything does. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, so I can bunch up everything into one like yeah. Like yeah. I have no idea what I'm talking about, but yeah. So if you guys just joined this channel, just joined this what do you call this, live stream, then welcome, because I'm just like live coding this Learn Flutter app thingy, whatever. Yeah, and I think I'm just going to repeat myself, is that it's good to test on multi devices. Hi man, hi, welcome guys. Go to the top chat and you can see yourself in the top chat in the chat below. Ask me any questions and maybe I can answer them. And yeah, today I'm just coding out this Flutter app, and yeah, that I'm going to release hopefully next or this year, hopefully this year, right? So I will like create a very simple app. It's called a Learn Flutter app, and basically I'm just going to put like daily challenges for you guys to do, and then you guys can, you know, like learn something, like for example alignment, right? Reducing number of considered. I have no idea what this means. Yeah, so for example alignment, I will like you know, type down all of what alignment is, and then you can just, you know, see how it looks like. Yeah, okay, so I think I have enough. Then there is also this thing. Oh god. So I'm just gonna like do this or something like that. So I did some design on my own itself. So like for example, if a user chose an answer, right, it will be like yellow color, and once it's wrong or correct, everything will be what do you call this, it will become a lighter shade of color. The answer will be like this or something like that. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, maybe I should make it consistent, but yeah, so this is the right answer. if you got it right, this is the right answer kind of thing. And then if you want an explanation, then it will have a scrollable bottom screen, yeah. Then you will see this thing, so you can interact with it, yeah, something like that. I think so. Oh my god. Oh my god. So sorry. So sorry if I'm yawning a lot, guys. Yeah. So why not turn this into a web app? So it will be better for coding challenges. Nah. Flutter creating interactive web apps in exactly what I want to do, because first of all, it's something that I want to, get used to, and then second of all, at least I can, teach the process that I've done so far. Yeah, so everything has a purpose. Definitely, if I were to, put it into a Flutter web app, it will be better because people can go for it. But I was thinking to make this app monetizable, meaning that I'm going to charge people to download this app, because I need to be paid for what I'm doing right now. Yeah, so and then at the same time, when people, it is just like a psychology thing. When people are using a paid product, the value of their criticism or their feedback is way better than people who are using a free product. Yeah, so that's the honest truth. Like, I would rather change or create features according to people who pay for this product. So it won't be to the point that this is very expensive to buy this app, but like I say, like, I would rather have people's I guess opinions if they were to pay this app. So yeah, I can't monetize it on the website. Technically I can, but it's easier for me to monetize it on the app store. And I'm thinking to do this on the Android store instead as well, because from my observation, a lot of people who are creating Flutter apps are mostly Android users. So yes, yeah. Okay, so now, does Flutter have PWA wrapper? Flutter has a PWA wrapper. So I mean, I can show you right now. If you were to go to the web folder over here, oh my god, and then after that, you can go to manifest.json. So manifest.json is basically the Android like JSON. So manifest JSON is only for Android. This is where all of your key values for the different PWA properties. So like, for example, the name of your Learn Flutter app, and then the short name, usually used when you do the multi-window, and then you have your different types of display and your background color and description and whatnot, and then your icons as well. So yes, Flutter has its own PWA wrapper. This is for Android. And then for iOS, it is under index.html. So you could see this is the iOS meta text that you can change. So you can have, first of all, do you want the iOS to be PWA compatible? Do you want this Flutter to be iOS PWA compatible? Then what is the color of your status bar, and what is the title of your PWA in iOS? But PWA in iOS is super it's not as intuitive as PWA in Android. So that's one thing that I don't really like. So that's why. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Okay, anyway, let me go back to what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I will just copy this again, and I paste it over here, right? Okay, so now I can drag this. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't. Interesting. So like that. Maybe I will have another size box here, like that, so it has equal amount of space. Okay, looks like this. Okay, so now I'm going to learn something new, which is called Sliver. Sliver app bar. So Sliver app bar is something that you can do. So what it does is basically it can just just that app. Yeah. So your app bar will just disappear when you scroll up. App bar with floating false, pinned false, snap false. Okay, maybe this is, what is it called? Floating. Is that floating? No. App bar no floating. What? Leading. Blah blah. Okay, so that means I will just do this. Flexible. Animated examples. Okay, interesting. Floating and true. Cool. Okay, whatever. Integrates custom scroll view, sliver app bar. So let me put this as sliver app bar then. Argument type sliver can't be assigned to preferred sized widget. Ooh. Okay, let me see if is there like a elevation shape. I heard push navigate in PWA doesn't seem to work in iOS. I'm not too sure about that. Push notification in PWA doesn't seem to work. So PWA in iOS generally is not as well supported as in Android. So that's why yeah, so I mean what I've observed so far is that if you were to build apps and you really want to monetize it, right? I would recommend you to build iOS apps because that's where the money is. People will tend to buy iOS apps rather than Android apps. Yeah, but either way, yeah, iOS, it's like they don't really believe in the PWA power, but there's a lot of like companies who is doing PWA and has very good returns in building a PWA, so that's why. How do I do this? This is bad example. This could be included in custom scroll view, custom scroll views. How do you implement it? Okay, let me. Oh, what actually I can do is the app bar itself, the color can be translucent. So what I mean by that is that it doesn't have to be let me see, where is it? Wait, is this the main dot dot? No. So app bar theme, colors white. They are overriding in under this question thing. Oops. Yikes. So under this question, the app bar is blue. Okay, let me put opacity 0. 0 means transparent, or it's translucent. 1. Right. So if I were to scroll up, but God, okay, never mind. I want that effect where it just disappears. Cool. Sliver bar. My God, this is confusing. Press on the plus to add items above and below. Don't get it. Me don't get it. Interesting. Okay, I think I will do this later. I'm not going to. It's not my main priority concern. Okay, so with that, what we're gonna do is we are going to have the question here. If I were to move the oh my god, why am I so sleepy? Did I not eat? Yeah, so the thing about Flutter is that it's great if you have iOS and Android together. But at the same time, if you were to target everyone, are you really targeting? Like in business, if you target everyone, it's pretty bad kind of decision because you don't have a niche. So that's why I'm building for Android, and that's why I have an Android simulator rather than an iOS simulator. If that makes sense, you know. So that's yeah. Actually, since I 25, I can just add this 25. So 25 is 40, 37, 38. Okay, so I just put 38. Does that make sense? 12, whatever. I'm like, I'm so done. Right now. Okay, still works. Cool. All right. Yep. Yeah. So. Container, then paste it over here. You have a bunch of text after that. Yeah, okay, cool. So I'm gonna change this text and I'm just gonna copy this and then I'm gonna paste it over here. Okay, cool beans. Looks, yeah, it looks simple enough lah, I would say. Simple. Okay, now you have your button. Alright. So we are coming up with the buttons. So these are, I would say, the answer buttons. I'm probably gonna use flat button because yeah, you can technically, like for example, this is like my own DIY inkwell kind of thing, you know, yeah. But it's, yeah man, to have this effect is a little bit, a lot of things needed to be done. Yeah. Ooh. So if I can show you guys, for example, it's on the challenge card. So you have to make use of like material and ink well. I'm just like, oh my god, no time for this shizzle. Yeah, so inkwell, do they have their own custom border radius? Oh my god. Okay, then because I saw that the border radius ain't exactly nice. If you guys can't see, that's fine. So I'm just gonna put the border radius here then, and it will save. So now if I were to, right, so the inkwell really looks nice. I'm a little bit attention to the detail is a big part of me. Okay, I think the text is fine. I'm not sure. Alignments. Okay, if I were to move the middle circle widget to the top left, what are the alignment coordinates? Oh shit. Oh. Okay. Yeah, so it's under the question screen. Then I have the, okay, so now I'm just gonna put the flat button, then you have your on press, maybe just give a empty or anonymous and then at the same time let's put text. It's alignment 1. Okay, so let's put that alignment, then bracket 1 1. Let's see how the flat button looks like that. Hahaha. So actually looks not bad, like it's some sort of what I wanted so far. Alright, so we have the flat button. Now we're just going to make the border into a pill. So flat button, I think it has its own thing. Flat button. What do I want for my flat button to have? Flat button. Oh my god, doesn't really have a lot of things. Yikes. Or should I put in a material button instead? Yeah, let's see what a flat button consists. Doesn't have like decoration as well. We'll see how it goes. It has a shape though. So you got notch shape. There's a couple of shapes. Continuous rectangle border, beveled or rounded rectangle border, which I think is what I want. Okay. Material. Yeah, it's under raw material button, which is fine as well. Okay, so let me put it like, let me put this, and then shape. So you got box shape. No, it's not. The naming is a little bit weird, and it says shape border, and I'm like, dude, what do you mean by shape border? So yeah, that's the thing about, they don't really put in exactly what you really want. So you have to like DIY yourself. Okay, and then after that you just put in the radius. Let's see what's the radius of this. This radius 28. Okay, so let's put in the radius, border radius, and then put in border radius if I'm not wrong. That's it. Circular 28. Okay, at the same time you want the border. Does it have border? Border radius we have, rounded rectangle, border side dot all. Okay, board side. Oh, what does side means? I have no idea. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's save this and see how it looks like. Okay, see, it looks like a pill now. Great, that's what we want, I guess. Now we need some marginal padding, so it's 35 as well, I guess. So let's put this flat button, and then we wrap around with a no, not a container. Oh my god. Padding. Can put column because the container doesn't have. Yeah, never mind. I'll just put it there. Wrap with padding, and then we can just copy this padding over here and paste it over here then. Oh no, it's too much to the bottom. Oops. So it's more vertical, horizontal. So it's horizontal. Let's see how it looks like. And yeah, okay. So it's like that. Why is it so horizontal, vertical? Ah, yes. It's kind of correct. Kinda. Next up is that we want our text over here to be big. So it's Montserrat and it's 18. Okay. So what we can do is we can put style, and then we can put Google Fonts, and we put Montserrat. And then we can put font size, put in 18, and it's always this VS Code problem. Oh, and then we have some issues. Okay, let's see how it looks like now. Okay, all right, so it's some sort of what we want. Yeah. Splash color on highlight, mouse cursor. That's a minimum width. Okay, so let me put the minimum width then. Double infinity. Right, so it will expand. Hopefully it doesn't crash. Okay. Yeah, you see? Yeah. So you put double infinity, actually makes it like that. But I don't want the child of the widget to be in the middle though. So let me see, what do they have? Or not, I'll just put this text align. Oops. So let me wrap this line as well. So hopefully it goes to the left. It doesn't. Okay, then let me see if this works. Alignment dot center left. Let's see if it works. Yep, okay, it works. Okay, cool. Alright, so you have this. This is what we wanted. Then at the same time we want some spacing as well. So we need to add padding. So padding of 20. Okay, so for the text we do they have padding? No, they don't. Mayo. Wrap with padding. Then let's put it symmetric, and then let's put here as vertical 20. Oh, okay, just put like this. Okay, now it is quite big, which is what we wanted. We also want the border side. Creates a rectangle border. Side. Oh, there's this solid. I have no idea actually if it's correct or wrong. Oh, this border style, right? My God. Oh, now it works. Okay, cool. I mean, yeah. So the color will be colors dot zukunf blue. Wait, no. It's called zukunf blue. Right. And then how big is the thickness? The thickness is 2. Okay, so let's put thickness. Is that thickness? No idea. The width is 2. Hi Akash Parmar, thank you so much. Just to create a simple button, you have to. Thank you. Illegal. Oh my God, what is this with? Oh, it's a double, so I have to put 2.0. Is it? This is so weird. Thank you, Akash Parma. Will appreciate it very, very much. Okay, so (2.0). Alright, so this is what we want over here. now we are going to make this whole thing a widget. Doesn't really. Okay, cool. Do I need to be thicker? In the app it looks like that. Okay. Woo. Okay, that's fine with me. Okay, anyway, yeah, what was I saying? The button. You need the button. Okay, so I'm just gonna make this. Extract the widget to become a answer button. Answer button. Now you can create more answer buttons. Let's see how much of a space it. So 10. Okay, let me put this answer button with the vertical as 5. I guess so. 10. Oh, okay, so 10. Then yeah, so at the same time you need the answer. So my answer is a simple final string answer. Alright, and then you can just add in accordingly for the final variable. Then make this as a required, so that the answer button widget will say this. It will not run. It's just a keyword. And this answer will be inside this tags. Yeah. Okay, so then we will put the answer, and let's put in multiple answer buttons, and then we can just put in this. Okay, sweet. Oh, it's supposed to be cool. Okay, so this is 0 and then 0 1. Okay, sweet. Okay, now you could see that the different answers you use yeah. Okay, and then you have this submit button and the show explanation. Right. Okay. Doesn't look as much as we want like that. So I think the border radius should be, is it 28? It is 28. Oh, it's maybe according to, okay, never mind. I'll just put here 38, you know. Why not? Yeah, it looks better like that. Right. Actually, it's according to the length. Kind of. I have no idea actually. Okay, so now we are left with the submit button and show explanation. So I think these are the same design. So I think I'm just gonna create one button. I guess so. Yeah. So the thing is, if you want to do this kind of design, but you want to have space in between, you have to like manually put in the padding, which is a little bit annoying, but which is fine as well. My god, 50 minutes just passed, guys. Oh my god. If you guys have any questions, do put it inside the top chat, put it inside the chat, and I will help you guys in any queries you have so far. Yeah, you know, is Flutter Web ready? I have no idea. But okay, so let's move on, and we have this ancient sex padding. Yeah. Okay, so let's put in a flat button again, because flat buttons are awesome, I guess. Oh my god. The text over here, this should be submit. Okay, then the flat button as per usual. I think we can just honestly, I will refactor it. Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna refactor it. Just gonna put column, you know, and then children. Then I'm just gonna put like this, like that. So this column, right, will be wrapped with padding that is symmetric, because this is gonna save me a lot of time, because yeah, it's annoying to, you know, always have to do this thingy. Then at the same time, let's put this thing all the way down here. Then you can just remove this horizontal, and then for the answer button you can also remove this horizontal. Okay, so hopefully this will not have any error. Okay, it doesn't. Cool. Okay. I'm like so you can put a column in a column if it helps you in terms of like, yeah, this kind of thing, which is really annoying. Yeah, it's really annoying. Okay, so after that, what we are going to do is we are going to then make our submit button look nice. So our submit is small. So what we can do is very similar to what we have over here. So we can just technically, we don't need to copy everything. We can copy this part, I guess. Minimum width. You want your button to stretch. Then at the same time, you want your button to also have a border radius. Our border radius is very small. Oops. So our border radius is 8. Okay, so we can, let me see, like with the shape, we can just copy this, and then coders copy. Yep, we do a lot of copying and pasting, so we don't need a side. Oops. Then this will be, oh, it's 8, right? So we just remove the 3, and then we have the color. Oh no, this under the border radius thingy. Color, we're gonna put the color dot something something. This is dark. Okay, so we have our own like colors dot. So what we can do is we can definitely do this, and this will be dark blue, right? So this is like, yeah. Have you heard of the lit package? No. What is that? What is a lit package? Oh no, this is color dark blue, dark bright blue. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Okay, nice. Maybe I should decrease this to 5 and see how the border, yeah, something like this. There's so many packages that I don't really follow. That's why I don't, yeah, don't really, I only learn about packages that I think is going to help in anything that I'm doing. Submit, I'm going to put the text. No, I'm going to put the style. Oh, this is so annoying, you know. Every time. Text style. Font size 18. Save this. Okay, it's big. Cool. Then we need some padding. So the padding. Oh, why did I do that? 14? I think it's more than 14. Maybe it's 16. Okay, cool. So we're gonna put some padding in our text. We can put it manually, wrap it with padding. So we can just put in symmetric. I love symmetric. It's so so useful. Okay, then it will be kabam. Right, nice. Okay, the submit button as well is supposed to be white. So we're gonna put color and colors dot white. Okay, no, not white, but white. White. And then there is a space in between 30. So why not put a sized box of maybe 15? Height 15. I love size box. It's simple. It just does one thing. It just separates stuff that I would need. Okay, so now we have a submit button. Pretty nice. And then we can just make this into, what do you call this? Zokunf buttons. I have no idea, man. Maybe I'll just put Zokunf button. So extract this widget as a Zokunf button. Yeah. Oh my god, why is it zoomed in like that? Cool. So now you have your Zokunf button. So what we can do with the Zokunf button is that we can have our own what call that? Submit name text. Yes, final string text. Alright, and then you just put it in. So this is required. Okay, and then at the same time you want a different kind of like function, so you just put in function. So like let me see what buttons do for on press. It's a function as well. Okay, let me just copy this, then paste it over here. Right, so now we're gonna put this. Oh, it's not void lah, it's final. So oh no, this on press will be also required. So let me put this as well. Okay, so you have your text and it's required. So that's 2 lah. Okay, right. So the text would be submit, and the on press should be on press. Come on, it's sweet. There's nothing that I can do. Submit, not submit, but submit. Then your text will put it here, and then your on press will be here. Okay, so since we have this colored and non-colored, so I would say dot fill, right? So what I'm doing right now is like, you can see that the dot fill here. So this will probably have, this is just a name constructor that you can create. So maybe you have a boolean which is called is filled, is solid, I think is solid dot solid. Okay, so this will be this dot is solid is equal to false, and this is solid will be equal to true. You're not supposed to have this. You're supposed to have a comma. Yeah. Oh. Yep. Okay, so now you can use the is solid. So you just change like your UI stuff. That's about it lah. So for example, the color will not be dark blue, it will be white. Let's put this is solid. If it's solid like that, if not, then go you know, there's no white, so I just put colors.white then. It's solid, it's true. Actually, you don't need this thing. Yeah, you just put like that lah. Yeah, just. Can I put optional? You know, you can't put optional. So you just put like this. So if it's solid, it's null. Then just put like that. It's easier. Don't have to blue, right? Okay, if I were to save this and see how it goes, will give me an error. No. Wait. Solid. So this should be false. Oh, this is confusing. There's an error. Yeah. Never mind. Then I think what is best is to have its own value. Okay, so let's save this, and then it will look something like that. Oh god. Submit. Okay, next is this color. This 6. Oh my god, the devil's number. Let's put this as this, and then let's put this as gray. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, blah blah blah. Okay. So instead of white, we would put this as Sukun color dot gray. Right. Let's put like this. Okay. So okay, and then last one is the border thingy. Border radius 5. Then we will have side and border side. Right. Then we will have what the answer button has, which is this. And then we just put it inside the border side, and then we will have the gray instead of the blue. Oops. Okay. But this is solid again. It's solid. No, then colors are white. Yeah. Okay. So I believe this is what's supposed to look like. Yes. Some sorts or another. Okay. So now we have already our Zocon button. Now we just put solid, and then it will turn into what we initially had. Great. And then we will just put in, wait, let me put a comma here, and then we will just put in exactly what we have over here, and then we put here show explanation. Alright, and then let's save this. Okay, so oops, I don't want a solid, I want it to be something else, right? So you have like this. Cool. Yeah. Okay, then we will have some spacing in between as well. 20. Oh, you just put a size box in between. I think that's fine. Height 20. Oop. And then we will have another size box, which is 32. Okay, let's put in. Alright, so now we have coded out what we wanted over here. You could see. So if you were to like compare what we have in our Figma file to our current app, let me minimize this as well. Okay, so you can see that we have coded out exactly something like this. So yeah, I think it's pretty nice what we have so far over here. Maybe I will change the inkwell color to like maybe the thingy lah. But you know, so yeah, I really like how we ended up like that. So wow, it's already like 1 hour. I've already coded something. So yeah, this is basically yeah, what I've coded out so far. So I probably either in the next live stream I will create the functionality or the UI interaction and logic. So if I were to click over here, then this will turn into a yellow box. If not, then it can be interacted lah. Then at the same time, we can have a correct answer and wrong answer as well. So like what I mean by that is that if you get wrong, then you have this title on top or some sort of like indicator if you were to get it right or not. Then I also have the explanation that you can toggle whether it's right or wrong. Yeah, so I think that's about it. Thank you guys for liking before the actual stream starts. But yeah, so I'll probably do like a simple landing page to see whether you guys are interested in this app that I'm building so far. Yeah, so I mean, it's gonna be launched in Android for reasons that I've observed lah. So that's about it. Thank you so much for joining me in the live stream. Hopefully I answered your questions. I will see you guys next week, and yeah, bye bye.